Hey everyone, welcome back. In this part 2 of our Unity 2D platformer tutorial, we'll add coin collectibles and enemy characters to our game. We'll import animated coin sprites, build coin prefabs, and set up two different types of enemies, a ground ogre and a flying alien. Let's jump into it. First, let's create a collectible coin. Import your coin sprite sheet into the project. In the inspector, set the sprite mode to multiple, then open the sprite editor and slice the sheet evenly. Now select the sliced frames, drag coin spin sprites frames into scene, to create coin idle spin animation. Set layer order to 4, so it stay on top of camera. Adjust the size if needed. Rename coin object to coin. Create new folder, name it prefab. Drag coin object to prefab folder. Let click play button to check the coin animation. The coin looking so small, let update its scale. Okay, it's look better. Now let's bring in our first enemy, an ogre. Import the ogre sprite sheet, set sprite mode to multiple, and slice it like before. Drag idle sprites into the scene. Set layer order number to 4, and adjust its position. Set scale to 2. Next, we'll add a flying alien enemy. Just like before, import and slice the sprite sheet. Great, let's test. The alien fly is flashing, let's check the alien fly sprite sheet. Before we edit the sprite, let's remove idle animations which we just created. Increase boundary of each frame to cover whole object. Now select only full bug sprites and drag to the scene. In the next part, we'll make the player's sword detect hits, we'll give our enemies health bars, add player health with damage feedback, and even make the enemies move. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Mr. Wonder How, and I'll see you in the next part of our platformer series.